So while preparing this room for floor installation, I needed to move a couple of medium heavy and bulky pieces of furniture away from this area. And I was home alone working all by myself, and yeah, either I could wait till the evening when my husband and my daughters came home, or I could try it myself. So that's what I did. So I gave it a shot, and it was not hard. I was able to move them without much effort. So yeah, you will see that. So here we go. First, I emptied the linen cabinet of its contents and also took out the drawers. That made it a little easier to move the cabinet out of its niche. I used cardboards to move both the pieces. Cardboard tends to glide smoothly over most surfaces, so yeah, that helped. If it was hard surface, I could have used felt furniture pads, but they don't glide that well over the carpet. But cardboard, well, that glides over most surfaces with ease. Also, don't rush, be a little careful and just take your time. Also, I would love to know your thoughts in the comments about this method of moving the bulky pieces of furniture. So now I will stop talking so that you can focus on the video itself. I would not say it was very easy, but it was fairly easy to move these both mildly heavy but bulky pieces of furniture. I hope you find this video helpful. I will see you next soon. Until then, take care.